You don't think harm will come from your own cooking area, but it's not just what you drink or eat, it's your normal spices. Our kidneys are quiet helpers, working all the time, cleaning waste, keeping fluids right, watching blood pressure, and keeping your heart good, your mind sharp, your body well. But when we give them too much salt, stuff that keeps food good, and hidden bad things, they don't yell. They just get weak, and one day you feel big, tired, confused, and afraid. Kidney trouble hurts 1 in 7 grown-ups in the United States, and most don't know it until it's too late. That's why today it's about staying alive. We'll show you 8 normal cooking things that hurt your kidneys and how to switch them to get better. Because if you change what you eat, you can change how you will be. So if this feels true to you, pay attention. Like, share, and join so others know in time. Your click helps someone change, and please pay attention. Don't miss this, or you'll be sorry. 1. Salt. You won't hurt your kidneys with acid, but each time you grab salt, you do just that. Sodium chloride, the main part of salt, seems fine in a spoon, but that small spoon has 2,300 milligrams of sodium, a full day's worth. But most old folks eat way more hidden in soups, sauces, and breads. In your body, too much sodium makes your kidneys hold water, raising your blood and causing high blood pressure. But the big risk, sodium hurts glomeruli, the parts that clean your kidneys, by causing them stress. Over time, this ruins how your kidneys work and makes your creatinine go up, a quiet sign that your kidneys are failing. As the Kidney Fund says, 1 in 3 U.S. adults may get kidney issues, mostly from too much salt. It's scary, but even foods marked low salt like canned soup, cheese slices, and chicken packs can hurt you if your kidneys are weak. They just add up slower. To eat low-salt foods safely, always read the labels, check how much you eat, and eat them with fresh veggies. Cooking at home with real foods is best to watch your salt and phosphorus. Add herbs like thyme, which help your body without the salt. Also, soak cut potatoes in water before you cook them. This lowers potassium and stops added salt from frozen kinds. Salt might make life fun, but is it hurting you slowly? 2. Watch out for seasoning salt too. Do you think salt is the only thing to blame? Meet its worst friend, salty mix, a nice mix of salt, MSG, stuff to keep it from clumping, fake colors, and things to keep it fresh. Just 1 spoon of salty mix can have 600 to 2,000 milligaules of salt, based on the brand, and we use a lot. But the bad thing here is MSG. MSG makes food taste better, but it bothers your nerves like the ones to your kidneys and messes with signals to your kidneys. Worse, MSG may cause stress, which hurts how cells in kidneys work, says a study in 2022. That's not all. Most store salty mixes have yellow color, no beer 5, and sodium stuff, which may hurt kidneys in animal tests. Over time, these bad things can make waste build up, make kidneys swell, and hurt how kidneys clean blood. To help your kidneys, try to make your own spice mix. Mix garlic, onion, paprika, and a bit of lemon peel. No bad stuff. Also, read labels well. If salt is first, don't buy it. It's more salt than spice. Seasoning salt may taste good, but it could hurt your kidneys, so don't buy it. 3. Pepper. You've heard pepper helps you take in good stuff, but did you know it could also make kidneys worse if used too much? The main part of pepper may be good and bad. While it helps good things get in your body, it also makes your liver and kidneys work harder. In people with weak kidneys, this can cause kidney harm by making bad stuff, ROS. A study in 2019 said too much black pepper caused kidney issues in animals. Here's what many miss. 1 small spoon of ground black pepper has up to 9 milligrams of piperine. That's a lot if used often, mostly with weak kidneys. Be safe. Use less than half a spoon each meal. Add good herbs such as basil or oregano. Or use white pepper. It's not as strong with less piperine, but still adds spice. Black pepper may help your food taste better, but is it hurting your kidneys? 4. Cayenne pepper. That hot taste in your soup might be too much. Your kidneys may feel it too. Cayenne, a hot spice, has capsaicin, a strong part that speeds up how your body works, but it can also cause swelling. Capsaicin turns on TRPV1 spots, which help blood flow and can stop pain. But here's the bad part. Too much capsaicin can bother kidney nerves, messing up how they filter and making blood harder to move. A 2020 test and poison report showed that lots of capsaicin hurt kidney parts in rats, mostly with lots of salt like we eat. Just half a spoon of cayenne dust has about 2.5 milligrams of capsaicin, and using it each day adds up fast, mostly in dips, rubs, and marinades. To have spice and help your kidneys, mix cayenne with lemon juice or oil. It lowers how much capsaicin your body takes in and swelling. Or try sweet paprika. You get the taste and look without harm to kidneys. Cayenne might excite your tongue, but does it hurt your kidneys? 5. Garlic powder. We like garlic for the heart, but its powder might hurt your kidneys. Unlike new garlic, garlic powder is dried and strong, making its parts much stronger, like sulfur parts. While these parts fight germs, they can also bother kidney stuff if you eat too much. Garlic sulfur makes the body need more glutathione, the kidney's main defense. When glutathione is used up, the kidney can't handle stress as well, raising creatinine and hurting kidneys faster. A study in 2021 in a kidney book found that rats eating lots of garlic dust had kidney swelling and changed waste levels, mostly when dried out. Only 1 spoon of garlic dust is like 1 bulb of new garlic, a lot for bad kidneys. If you add it to each dish, you may take too much without knowing. Try using new garlic cooked fast in oil. It helps but is not too hard on kidneys. Or if you like that dust taste, use half as much and mix it with dry parsley. You'll keep the taste while helping your kidneys. So here's a thought. Is garlic dust helping your life or slowly hurting your kidneys' health? 6. Nutmeg. It smells like good times, adds heat to pies, but nutmeg may hurt your kidneys behind its nice smell. This seed has a strong stuff called myristicin. A little bit won't hurt you, but too much can be bad. Myristicin is changed in your liver and leaves through your kidneys, but here's the issue. It can mess with your brain and make you see things if you take a lot, and even a little can hurt your kidneys by making waste. This waste builds up, mostly if your kidneys don't work well, which can cause kidney problems. A story in a 2018 BMJ report said that using just 1 or 2 spoons of nutmeg made a 55-year-old sick with kidney damage and see things. Even a normal half spoon of ground spice can have 4 to 10 units of myristicin, and with bad spices or pills, the effect grows. Try spice like cinnamon, which are easier on the kidneys. You can also put a cinnamon stick in tea instead of ground spice. Less stuff means less stress. Spice may feel good, but could it hurt your kidneys? 7. Star anise. Nice and good-smelling star anise is put in soups and teas for heat, but not all star anise is the same. And for your kidneys, the bad kind can kill. Here's the catch. Though small amounts of Chinese star anise are okay, Japanese star anise has a strong poison that hurts the brain. It can cause seizures, kidney issues, and swelling. The FDA warns that these two look so much alike. Even a little bit of the bad one is risky. In 2003, the FDA said some people went to the hospital, some with kidney failure after drinking tea with mixed star anise. Just 1 gram, like 1 pod, can have stuff that causes stress and kidney problems, mostly in older people. To be safe, only use Chinese star anise that says it's for cooking. Don't use loose star anise from other countries without labels. Or try fennel seeds or clove instead, since they taste like star anise but are safe for your kidneys. So when you next put that nice spice in food, think, are you adding taste or a danger? 8. Turmeric. People say turmeric is great, but for those with weak kidneys, it may be bad. The key part, curcumin, helps fight damage, but too much can hurt kidneys. Why? Curcumin cuts nitric oxide made, which slows blood to kidneys, mainly in older people with high blood pressure or diabetes. Worse, turmeric has oxalates, which help make kidney stones and can make filtering worse. A study in 2019 said that just 2 small spoons of turmeric each day made p-oxalate levels go up a lot in healthy grown-ups. Each small spoon has about 50 milligrams of oxalate, a lot for someone with high creatinine or low filtering. Instead of using dry spice each day, try new root. It has less bad stuff. Or use spice and root on other days. Root is good, but spice might not be. Is spice helping you or hurting you? If this helps you, share it. Tell others who need to know these 8 risks in the kitchen. You don't know who has bad kidneys. One small switch, like real cloves for dry, could help them avoid drugs. You could help a friend. Thank you to our fans. Your time and health are key. We're not just making food taste good. We're making our lives better with smarts and power. Your kidneys work all day for you. Now help keep them safe. Save this, read it, and let's make food good for kidneys.